Today I will discuss the nature of carbon and hydrogen in organic molecules. Suppose suppose a following molecules CH3, 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 C, H, H and CH3. In this molecule, this carbon atom attached with four other carbon atoms, and these carbon atoms attached with only these carbon atoms. Further, this carbon atom attached with two another carbon, and this carbon is attached with only one carbon atom. So the carbon attached with only one other carbon atom in a molecule is called primary carbon. So it will be the primary carbon, primary carbon, and primary carbon is symbolized as 1 degree carbon. So this carbon and this carbon are also the 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon. This molecule has 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 number of 1 degree carbon. Further, a carbon in a molecule attached with two other carbons are called secondary carbon. Secondary carbon for other carbon respectively. Secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbons are assigned in a particular molecule. This carbon atom attached with four other carbon atoms, so it is called quaternary carbon, and it is symbolized as 4 degree carbon. This molecule also has a carbon which attached with two other carbon atoms, so it is called 2 degree carbon, that is secondary carbon. Suppose another molecule CH3, CH2, C, CH3, CH and CH3. This molecule directly attached with 1, 2, 3 other carbon atoms, so it is called 3 degree carbon. Thus we get 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon and 4 degree carbon. Now we discuss the nature of the hydrogen. Hydrogen atom is assigned as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree when it is bonded to 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree carbon atoms respectively. For example, these three hydrogen atoms attached with 1 degree carbon, so these hydrogen atoms are known as primary carbon, that is 1 degree carbon. This and this, that is these two hydrogen atoms attached with secondary carbon, so these two hydrogen atoms are known as secondary hydrogen. This hydrogen atom attached with 3 degree carbon, so it is called 3 degree hydrogen. Thank you. In next class we discuss the nature of alkyl groups.